Meaning of derailleur.
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 Derailleur. A derailleur is a mechanism on a bicycle that moves the chain from one gear to another. It consists of a movable arm or cage that guides the chain from one sprocket to another. When a rider shifts gears on their bike, the derailleur moves the chain over to a different sprocket which changes the gear ratio. This allows the rider to pedal more efficiently on flat ground, climb hills easily, or ride faster downhill. Without a derailleur, a cyclist would have to manually adjust their chain on the sprockets to change gears.